Hello, and welcome to another video where we will show you how to make money by watching videos this 2023. Imagine having the power to earn money right from your home without the usual 9-to-5 grind. What if I told you that the digital world is brimming with opportunities waiting to be explored? Online earning is an exciting and dynamic landscape, from turning your passions into a paycheck to discovering unconventional side hustles. So get ready to unlock the secrets of making money online as we dive into a world of potential, flexibility, and endless possibilities. First, go to youtube.com, where you'll find various videos that can help you earn free PayPal money in 2023. All you need to do is watch each video for at least 33 seconds, and you'll get $4.50 for every video you watch. Best part is you can make PayPal money this way. If you watch just one video, you'll earn $4.50. Watch 10 videos, and you'll earn $45. And if you can manage to watch 30 videos a day, you could earn up to $135. The great thing is you can repeat this process as much as you want. So you have the opportunity to keep making money online. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to get started. No worries if you don't have a YouTube account. Getting one is easy. Just go to youtube.com and click the sign in button in the top right corner. Once logged in, you'll see different popular videos on the left, like music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and more. Click Gaming, and it'll lead you to a page with gaming videos. Lots of people watch these gaming videos on YouTube. Here's a bonus tip. Focus on the Minecraft category. Minecraft is trending and very popular. Clicking on it takes you to videos about the game. If there's a live video, click on it. The next page will show you the live stream with many viewers. This is where the money-making opportunity lies. Stay tuned as I'll share another bonus tip later to help you earn even more. I'll explain how you can turn these YouTube videos into PayPal money in a moment. We'll need to use a second website to convert these videos into actual money. Have you come across 7r6.com? It's a website that shortens links. Surprisingly, you can make money online using this method. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Signing up to 7r6 is easy. Visit the 7r6.com website using your preferred web browser. Look for a sign up or register button on the homepage and click on it. Provide the required information to create a new account. This usually includes a username, email, and password. Follow any additional steps or verification processes if required. Once your account is created, log in using your newly created credentials. With your 7r6.com account, you'll have access to the platform's features, including the ability to shorten URLs and track your earnings. Here's an example of the process. Let's say you're watching a gaming video on YouTube. Below the video, you'll find a share button. Click on it to get the YouTube URL for that specific video. Copy the link using the copy button, then head back to the 7r6.com website. Paste the YouTube link in the provided box and the site will automatically generate a shorter, unique link. Whenever people click on this unique link, you'll earn money. When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on the New Shorten Link button, and this is where you'll paste your YouTube links to shorten them and earn PayPal money. Remember the YouTube link you copied earlier?
Fishing rod? What is it? I don't know.
Paste it into the box here. For the alias field, type in a name related to the video, like Minecraft. Then click the Shorten button, and you'll have your Minecraft shortened link. Now, back to the YouTube for step number 3. This time, repeat the process with up to 4 different videos. Remember, the more YouTube links you shorten and share, the more free PayPal money you'll earn. Here's a tip. Focus on a single category with live streaming videos. It's a gradual build, not a sprint. Think of it like planting seeds and watching them grow. Consistency is key. So, click share and keep the momentum going. You're tapping into the potential of the online realm, where every link holds the promise of progress. Moving on to the fourth and last step, let's head to steamcommunity.com, This site is all about gaming and discussions on different game strategies. You're right on the money. Minecraft is hot here. It's a buzzing topic and lots of people are into it. This gaming platform is a goldmine for your YouTube video category. Just think about the millions of daily views these videos gather. This is your prime chance to ride this trend with 7r6.com and earn plenty of free PayPal money from these videos. Here's how. You must open your web browser and go to the Steam community website. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Log in using your existing credentials if you already have a Steam account. If not, click Join Steam to create a new account. Then, fill in the required information for your new Steam account. This usually includes your email address, desired username, and password. Complete any verification steps if prompted. Once your account is created, you can access the Steam community and its features. As a member of the Steam community, you can explore various game discussions, share content, and connect with fellow gamers. Now here's a special bonus for those still watching. A secret website I've never shared before. Moot.us. It's a unique forum where folks discuss Minecraft and share images and videos related to games. This is your sweet spot. You see, those Minecraft gameplays videos get tons of views here. You could score hundreds or even thousands of clicks if you focus on this category, copy links from these live streaming videos. Brace yourself for a significant online income boost. The online landscape offers many opportunities for those looking to boost their income or embark on a side hustle from the comfort of their own home. With strategies like the one discussed here, you can tap into the immense potential of making money online. Whether you're seeking a supplementary income, exploring a new side gig, or aiming to earn extra PayPal funds, the possibilities are vast. Remember, the key lies in smart approaches and staying vigilant against potential scams. Genuine opportunities to earn money online exist, but they often demand diligence, research, and dedication. The avenues to transform your spare time into a productive venture are numerous, from using platforms like 7r6.com to monetize YouTube videos, to engaging with gaming communities and forums. By embracing these strategies, you're not only delving into the world of side hustles, but also tapping into a new way of earning money that aligns with modern technology and the evolving digital landscape. As with any endeavor, success may take time and effort, but the rewards can be truly remarkable. As we embark on this journey together, you're about to unveil a range of strategies that have the potential to change the way you think about generating income. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking for some extra pocket money, or someone seeking financial diversification, the online landscape is your canvas, and the opportunities are boundless. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence, turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.